Welcome back to Just Fit Pilates. Today we have a standing ab routine. Great for working on balance, great for not having any neck strain during the exercises, and great for variety. We'll be doing a few warm-up exercises going into the workout and then doing a few stretches at the end. So let's get right into it. We'll do arm circles first. I'll show you from the side. You're going to reach your arms up, extend through the spine, and return. So we'll go 10 one way and then 10 the other way. So we feel that openness in the chest. This is like the opposite of a crunch, right? We're feeling those muscles lengthen in front. Okay, now we're gonna bring the arms forward. So bring them forward. As you do, flex that spine. So see that nice round curve in my spine? And come back up. And again, arms come up, round the spine. Let's do 3 more. 3 and 2. Last one. 1. Good, now we're gonna do a spine twist. So arms are gonna be in front. You're going to rotate to one side, bending that elbow, and then come back. And again, make sure that you're twisting through your trunk here, not just bringing your arm back. You wanna be rotating. That's where we get that oblique work. So any of our crunch type movements, that hits the front of the abs, and then twisting and side bending, that gets the obliques. So it's good to work both, and we'll definitely be doing both during this workout. Okay, let's do a side bend. So we're gonna come to the side, reach over, come back up. I'll show you from this side. Forward, side bend, and up, other arm. Just holding for a few seconds here to make it more of a dynamic warm-up. No long stretching. Now, if you do this workout, if you've added it onto another workout, you can skip the stretching part for next time and just go right into the workout if you feel already warmed up. I do that sometimes with my kids. If I'm short on time, I'm already warmed up, I go right into the workout. Let's do one more. So other side, and then reach to the other side. And come up. Okay, let's get started. Let's start first with spine twist. So we're gonna go down into a squat position, turned out, arms reaching in front. We're going to twist twice. So we're gonna go twist, twist, trying to go deeper that second time, and then return and alternate. So twist, twist, and return. Here we go. So rotate, and come back. If you wanna do the breath, you can try to exhale twice as you do that twist. And then inhale as the arms come back. Really try to make sure that that movement is coming from your torso, like I said before, and not just from bringing your arms back. If your legs get tired, you can always bring it up a little, but if you're fine with it, try to sit into it. It's a little extra leg work. Good, come up to rest. Now we're gonna do a side bend. So I'll show you while you're resting. We're gonna come down, just bend to the side, come back up. Here we go. So we're gonna alternate right and left. When we do this, try not to sink into that hip. So you could kind of collapse here and go down. We don't wanna do that. I kind of feel like you're going over something. There's a ball right here. You're bending over it. You're not collapsing into it. Last one. Good, come up, shake those legs out. Now we're gonna combine those. Let's keep the hands up here. We're gonna side bend, so side bend, twist, twist, come back to center. Then we'll alternate right and left. Here we go. So side bend, twist, twist more. Other side. You can move quicker or slower than me if you like. Good, let's come up. Let's give those little quads a break. We're gonna stand for this one. Arms are gonna be up ahead. Again, we're gonna do an oblique twist. So bring that knee up as the elbow comes closer, and then twisting on the other side as well. Here we go. Arms come down. Now we're gonna take a break from the twisting. We're gonna bring the arms together, drive that knee up as it comes between your arms, and then switch and switch. I'll show you from the side. Here we go. So crunching. Really trying to get that nice round curve in your spine. Be intentional when that leg is up. You really feel that crunch, and then come down. Focus on that part of the movement the most. That means you need to slow down a little bit, that's fine. Last one. Good, okay, now we're gonna do single leg stretch. So the legs are gonna be the same, where they're coming up and we're crunching, but our hands are gonna be like single leg stretch in Pilates. So one hand's gonna be the inside, one hand's gonna be outside as we curl up and then switch. So we're just alternating right and left. So here we go. So crunch up. So still trying to be intentional about making that nice round curve, feeling that contraction of the abs. Last one. Good, bring the legs down. Now we're gonna do double leg stretch. So for this one, let's start by squatting down, curve in the spine, reach up, and then curve again. Here we go. So reach up and then get a curve in that spine. Make a C with your spine. Really try to crunch when you're down here. I'm trying to look between my knees. Last one. Okay, now we've got 3 more. We're gonna kind of combine some of the beginning exercises. So start with the hands up here. We're gonna go twist, twist, and then knee comes to elbow or close to it. We'll do it one side, so stay on that side, and then the next exercise will go to the other side. So here we go. Twist, twist, and up. Just pick up your knee at a comfortable range for you. Good, let's go to the other side. So twist, twist. See if we can balance, right? Last one. Okay, come up, rest. Now we're going to do one last one, combining 3 of our exercises. I'll show you while you're resting. Arms are gonna come up again. We're gonna add a side bend. So side bend, twist, twist, bring up the opposite knee, and come back down. We'll stay on this side and then go to that side. Here we go. You may be able to feel if you are sinking in on one side more than the other. I know this side, I definitely sink in more and I'm not sure why. So it's good to work unilaterally like this and see all the little imbalances we have to work on. Last one. Twist, twist. Come down. Shake the shoulders. It's work for those shoulders to keep them up. I know I feel mine. Okay, let's come down. Last one. Here we go. Side bend. Twist, twist. Opposite knee. That feels good. All right, let's stretch that out. Let's start first by bringing the arms together. We're going to reach up, extend through the spine. So feel that openness through the stomach, those ab muscles. Let's do a side bend. So we'll go one side first. Arm is straight down, other arms overhead. And we're trying not to rotate here. We just want to be going over, just to the side. Come up, let's go to the other side. I'll come to the side to show you. You can have your hands by your legs here. We're going to stretch, so feel that tucking, feel that stretch in your low back. We'll just hold here. Roll up. Then we're gonna do one last. We're gonna roll down and then roll back up. Let's get my hair out of the way. Here we go. So breathe in and then exhale, bring your head forward first, round that spine. We'll hold here. Roll up, stacking the spine. And you're all set. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Definitely a little different than the normal ab workouts I do, but I hope you found it enjoyable. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.